Hello, Assalamu alaikum. I'm Mr. Naim. Main power work Terasaki breaker 1600 ampere. Installation 400 mm one phase 2 cable using. I connect this cables first blue, red and yellow. This side is red and this black. This is German style. Now I fix this number 3 cable, 1 neutral, R1, S1, T1. This outgoing go to ATS panel. After I connect the ATS panel, this cable, now this big generator 1000 kVA. Now install this proper sleeve working. Now cable number 3 fix here and 4 number this area. This is a big Terasaki breaker. After this work finish and go to ATS panel input. This is a breaker output. I connected second phase. Now I make you sleeves, and before first time you make you insulation tape. After I fix the sleeves, fix the round sleeve. सेंटर से स्टार्ट करना चाहिए और पहले सेंटर से ग्रैब करना चाहिए, आफ्टर फिर इसमें एयर रह जाती है. फिक्स इट विद स्लीव्स. Now I fix the red point. Blue, yellow, red. Now I fix it blacks. T1 black, S1 red, R1 yellow and neutral. Now I fix the all termination. Very good working, you see, same sequence. Now turn the cable and this is a big project, and I came laying this cable. I bring the cable, this 7 cable, 400 mm, one phase 800 mm. I fix it the breakers and fix here. Very good work, very good looking. Now I go there ATS side, connect their cables. Now I came ATS taraf, ATS side. Now you check this, connect the electricity and genset. 1 number electricity and 2 number is genset and 3 is loaded. This is very good working, very good installation cable. 402 cable per phase, 800 mm one phase. Beautiful work and good installation. ATS 2000 ampere first neutral and black red